Excel has over 200 keyboard shortcuts, but here's the truth, you don't need most of them. In fact, if you master just 5 shortcuts, you can dramatically speed up your work and save hours every single week. In this video, I'm going to show you the only 5 Excel shortcuts you actually need to work faster and smarter. And one of these shortcuts is so powerful, it can replace multiple manual steps. Let's dive in. First up is one of the most underrated shortcuts in Excel, F4. F4 actually has 2 powerful uses, but today we are going to focus on one of the most practical ones, repeating your last action. What this means is that almost any action you perform in Excel can instantly become its own shortcut. For example, here I have a formula I need to copy into other cells, but I only want to paste the formula, not the existing formatting. Normally, you would press Ctrl Alt V to open the Paste Special dialog, select Formulas, and then click OK. That's quite a few steps. Instead, do it once. Have the first values pasted using formulas only. Now that Excel knows what your last action was, all you have to do is to move to another set of cells and press F4. Excel instantly repeats paste formulas only. So instead of opening dialogues over and over again, you can simply press F4 and repeat the action instantly. I'll do the same for the other tables. F4, F4, F4. Once you start using this shortcut, you realize just how much time it saves. Next up is a shortcut that feels almost like magic. Alt+. This shortcut inserts a sum formula instantly. For example, here I have a table where I want to calculate totals. Instead of typing equals sum, selecting the range and press enter, I can simply press Alt+. Excel immediately inserts the sum formula and automatically selects what it believes is the correct range. Most of the time, it gets it exactly right. But here's where it gets even more powerful. You can actually sum multiple tables at once. Let's say we want to sum totals for all 4 of these data sections. Simply select the entire data area, including where you want the totals to go, like so. Press Alt+, and Excel automatically calculates totals for every row and column. What would normally take multiple formulas and selections can now be done in seconds. Next is a shortcut that many Excel users have never heard of, Alt+O+A. This shortcut opens Excel's auto format tool, which allows you to instantly apply professional formatting to your data. Instead of manually adding headers, borders, colors, and styling, you can simply click anywhere in your data set and press Alt+O+A. Excel opens a dialog box containing several pre-built formatting styles. All you have to do is select the one you like and click OK. I'll go with this one, click OK. Excel instantly applies that format across the entire table. This can save a surprising amount of time, especially when you're working with multiple reports or data sets that need consistent formatting. The next shortcut is one of the most powerful features in Excel, Ctrl T. This converts your data into an Excel table. At first glance, your data might already look like a table because it's arranged in rows and columns. But Excel tables are far more powerful than normal ranges. Let me show you. With my data set selected, I press Ctrl T. Excel automatically detects the range and asks whether the table has headers. Once I confirm and click OK, Excel converts the data into a fully functional table. Immediately, several things happen. Your data is automatically formatted. Filter buttons appear on every column. And from here, Excel tables start saving you serious time. For example, if you add a new row, Excel automatically extends the table formatting. And if you add formulas, Excel fills them down the entire column automatically. You can also add a total row with one click from the Table Design tab. Small features like these might seem simple, but when you're working with large data sets, they can save hours of repetitive work. Last but definitely not least is Ctrl E, which activates one of Excel's smartest tools, Flash Fill. Flash Fill automatically detects patterns in your data and fills the rest of the column for you. Let me show you how powerful this is. Here we have a list of employees with their full names, and let's say we want to create usernames for each person. Instead of typing them one by one, I'll simply type the first one manually, O+A. Now watch this. Instead of continuing to type the rest, I press Ctrl E. Excel instantly recognizes the pattern and automatically generates usernames for the entire column. And that's just the beginning. Flash Fill can do much more than that. It can combine text, extract parts of text, reformat data, and even generate things like email addresses automatically. For example, if I type the first email as olivia.carter@company.com and press Ctrl E again, Excel instantly creates the email addresses for everyone else in the list. No formulas, no functions, just one shortcut. It's one of those tools that genuinely feels like Excel is reading your mind. And once you start using Flash Fill regularly, you wonder how you ever worked without it. And those are the 5 Excel shortcuts that can dramatically speed up your work. Master these and you'll already be faster than most Excel users. Now I'm curious, which shortcuts are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more practical Excel tips like this, make sure you like this video and subscribe so you never miss the next one.